Hi everyone, this is Umar from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to fix Roblox not working in Windows 11. So it is going to be a really comprehensive guide. Make sure you stay till the end of this video. As well, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video if you are new to the channel. That will be directed towards the donation page using which you can now officially donate us, and it is going to be super amazing. Alright, now there are a couple of issues in Windows 11 and that might be causing your Roblox to not simply work, but it is quite easy to fix. As you can see, I have my Roblox player in here and I can easily play my Roblox. So let me open it. What you can do is simply run your Roblox as an admin or make sure that your internet connection is working perfectly fine. And the Roblox is going to be working. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. It is actually loading on my secondary monitor. Alright, so basically it is due to some admin permissions, and that could be causing it to maybe not open up. As you can see here, my Roblox is opened up, so make sure that it is properly installed on onto your PC, and that's how easily you can play it. So you can see everything is working perfectly fine in front of me, and I can even play the games and all this stuff. So yeah, that is going to be easily working, should be working on Windows 11 guys without any issues. So make sure you install it properly and your network is working perfectly fine. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Make sure to head over to the link to simply donate to our channel as well.